Antonio Banderas is a Spanish actor known for his work in films of several genres. He was born on August 10, 1960 in Málaga, Spain. He was born to Civil Guards gendarme officer José Domínguez Prieto and schoolteacher Ana Bandera Gallego. He has a younger brother named Francisco. As a little boy, Banderas wanted to become a professional football player until a broken foot sidelined his dreams at the age of 15. His work in the theater and his performances on the streets eventually landed him a spot with the Spanish National Theatre. He has received various accolades, including a Cannes Film Festival Award and a European Film Award, in addition to nominations for an Academy Award, a Tony Award, 2 Primetime Emmy Awards, and 5 Golden Globe Awards. For the 2019 film Pain and Glory, Banderas earned the Cannes Film Festival Award, European Film Award, and Goa Award for Best Actor and received nominations for the Academy Award and Golden Globe Award for Best Actor. In 2003, Banderas made his US theatre debut as Guido Contini in Nine, for which he was nominated for a Tony Award and won a Drama Desk Award. He received Primetime Emmy Award nominations for his roles in the television film and starring Pancho Villa as himself and the second season of Genius. His portrayal of Pablo Picasso in the later garnered him critical praise. Banderas married Ana Leza in 1986 or 1988 and divorced in 1996. He met and began a relationship with American actress Melanie Griffith in 1995 while shooting Too Much. They married on 14 May 1996 in London. They have a daughter, Stella del Carmen Banderas, who appeared on screen with Griffith in Banderas' directorial debut Crazy in Alabama. In 2002, the couple received the Stella Adler Angel Award for their extensive philanthropy. In 2020, he appeared alongside Robert Downey Jr. in the fantasy adventure film Dolittle. In 2022, Banderas appeared as Santiago Moncada, the antagonist of the Uncharted film. In 2023, he will appear in the upcoming 5th Indiana Jones film with Harrison Ford, Mads Mikkelsen, and Toby Jones. He will also return to work for DreamWorks Animation, reprising his voice as Puss in Boots in the sequel Puss in Boots: The Last Wish. In 2019, Banderas starred in the Spanish film Pain and Glory, directed by Pedro Almodovar. The film centers around an aging film director, played by Banderas, who has a chronic illness and writer's block as he reflects on his life in flashbacks to his childhood. The film premiered at the 2019 Cannes Film Festival to critical acclaim. On 25 May 2019, Banderas won Cannes Film Festival Awards for Best Actor for his role in the film. He was later nominated for his first ever Academy Award for Best Actor in a Leading Role for Pain and Glory. Also in 2019, Banderas starred in Steven Soderbergh's Netflix film The Laundromat alongside Meryl Streep and Gary Oldman. In 2005, he reprised his role as Zorro in The Legend of Zorro, though this was not as successful as The Mask of Zorro. In 2006, he starred in Take the Lead, a high-set movie in which he played a ballroom dancing teacher. That year, he directed his second film, El Camino de Los Angeles, based on the novel by Antonio Soler, and also received the LA Latino International Film Festival's Gabby Lifetime Achievement Award on 14 October.